So hey guys, let's talk about Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, also known as the Galaxy S20 Lite. It has been spotted on Geekbench sorting with Exynos 990 processor. Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition is expected to be feature a 120Hz display and an IP68 certified build. Further, the device is said to be 4500 mAh battery, that is the same as the Galaxy S20 Plus and the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. The device is listed on Geekbench with model number SMG780F. The benchmark database also suggested that the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition will be launched with the 8GB RAM option. The previous leaks revealed that this device has been paired with 6GB of RAM and a Snapdragon 865 SoC. This version was listed with the model number SMG781B. The new model may retain the core feature of S20 while skipping on the luxuries to keep the cost low. This model may get the newer Snapdragon 865 chip along with the faster LPDDR5 RAM up to 12GB in other countries except for India. Samsung could cut costs with the camera once again. Instead of the 64MP quad camera on the S20, the Fan Edition may be retain the similar 48MP triple camera setup for the S10 Lite. A leak from the Korean publication The Electrical stated that this model may get two 12MP main and ultra-wide cameras as well as on 8MP telephoto camera. Storage may be bumped up to 256GB this time. The S20 Fan Edition may launch with the One UI 2.1 based on Android 10. The Galaxy S20 Fan Edition also may get IP68 water dust resistant. The device is expected to be launched in the fourth quarter of the 2020. For today's video, and thanks for watching. If you find content useful, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned for next video. My name is Domendra signing off.